Zdravo na site! Welcome back to Learn Macedonian Language. Today we are going to learn how to order at the restaurant in Macedonian. We'll cover how to greet the waiter, ask for a menu, order food and drinks, and even how to ask for the bill, all with real life examples. And stay until the end for some fun facts about Macedonian restaurant culture and history. When you walk into a restaurant, you'll often hear Добре дојдовте, колку мина сте? Which means welcome, how many people are you? You can answer on that Двајца сме, which means we are two, or Четворица сме, which means we are four. Then the waiter might say Повелете, ова е вашата маса, which means here you go, this is your table. To ask for the menu, you would say Може ли мени? Which means can I have the menu please? Or more politely, Ве молам мени, which means menu please. And when it's time to order, the waiter would come and say to you, Што ќе нарачате? Which means what will you order? And you can say Ќе земам шопска салата и тавче гравче, which means I'll have шопска салата and baked beans. For meat dishes, Ќе земам кебапи со лепче, which means I'll have kebabs with bread. And for vegetarians, ќе земам зеленчуков ориз, which means I'll have vegetable rice. To order drinks, you can say ќе пијам вода, which means I'll drink water. Ќе пијам сок од јаболко, which means I'll have apple juice. Ќе пијам вино, which means I'll have wine. On which the waiter would come back and ask you бело или црвено, which means white or red. To ask for dessert, you'll say имате ли десерт, which means do you have dessert? And when you're ready to leave, you would say може сметката ве молам, which means can I have the bill please? And the waiter would say секако, веднаш, which means of course, right away. Let's repeat the key phrases that we learned today. Добре дојдовте. Welcome. Колку мина сте? How many are you? Може ли мени? Can I have the menu? Што ќе нарачате? What will you order? Ќе земам, I'll have. Може сметката ве молам? The bill please. Before we finish, here are some fun facts and bits of history about Macedonian restaurant culture. Hospitality first. In Macedonia, guests are treated like family. You'll often hear yadi yadi, which means eat, eat, even when you're full. Meze tradition. Meals often start with meze, small shared appetizers like cheese, olives, peppers, and rakia. The famous kafana. Traditional Macedonian taverns called kafani date back to Ottoman times and are known for live music, laugh, and endless food. Rakia ritual. A shot of rakia before the meal is believed to open the appetite. Slow, joyful eating. Meals can last for hours. Macedonians love to talk, laugh, and enjoy every bite. Historical mix of flavors. Macedonian food carries influences from the Mediterranean, Balkans, and Ottoman Empire, creating a truly unique taste. Respect towards the bread. Bread, or lib, is considered sacred as a body of Jesus Christ. It's common to thank or kiss it if it fails, a sign of deep respect. Most restaurants are family run, so when you eat there, you are tasting generations of love and tradition. Odlično, to беше се за денес. Excellent, that's all for today. Now that you know how to order food and drinks in Macedonian, you're ready to enjoy any local restaurant like a true Macedonian. In the next episode, we are going outdoors to one of the most colorful and lively places in Macedonia, the market. You'll learn how to ask for prices, buy fruits and vegetables, and chat with local vendors. So don't miss it. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. And I'll see you next time. Благодарам што гледавте и пријатен ден. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.